that bitch, hello. Who? You crazy as fuck. Red Bone? Who the fuck? Boy, no.
Chill him on.
You what?
Chill him on.
Chill. You was shout out, like, what the fuck?
Hold on, you ain't finna disrespect me like that. What is this, man?
Hello? Man, what's up?
You got that done up.
Oh, stop it.
This thing look good, clear. Ooh, I got clear polish. Ooh. These things look good. I can't wait. 2 for 10. 2 for 10. How you doing?
Put the number in if I change my mind.
Ooh. Thank you.
Boy, your mouth is stained.
Oh, hell no. I know you ain't just say that. I don't be so.
Arch your back, put your hands on your knees,
Hard as fuck. Like, I can't even much get it.
What's up? What's your name?
It's you.
Man, don't be talking to me like that.
Who you think you is, boy?
Hey, you suck dick.
Do I what?
Suck dick.
Boy, don't ever fucking play me like that, boy. Don't play. I don't suck dick.
Let's get freaky, baby. Let's get freaky. Let's get freaky. Let's get freaky.
What you doing? You at the crib? Yo, boy, I'm finna come over. That ain't nobody. Alright, I'm on my way.
Oh, so you say you on your way? Okay. Yeah, I'm on the bed waiting naked for you. Yeah, come on. It's nice and wet for you.
I'm outside. Where you at? Alright.
Hello? Yeah. Just sit on the porch. I'm putting on my bra right now.
Got the penny with the back eye.
So your name Uncle Luke? What? Come here! I'ma kill you.
When they bust, hold up. Young niggas be thuggin', work. My young niggas be thuggin', work. Young niggas be thuggin', right? Get out the way when they bust. Okay, now step off in the